Wow. That's crazy how that should grow like that. It's your boy York City 360 coming back to y'all. A cold December morning, about 10:45 in the morning. See the Chevy out here frosted up. Got a quick question for y'all before I get to the main event. Do it in all the places where it get cold, it do this on the inside of y'all trunk, like basically it cold and then have condensation or whatever. Cause this, I don't know, yeah, y'all can see it. All the water and shit was dripping when I popped it. I don't know if, I mean, shit, what would a drain hole? It's a drain hole. No, I was about to say, I mean, why would I have a drain hole there? So it'll drain all in here, but anyway. Everybody see what the Chevy hitting on this morning, man. Might just have to tap that gas pedal. Pretty cold out here. I mean, might not be able to get in this motherfucker right now. Go to the other side. Yeah, man, I had somebody hit me up. Need some brakes changed on a 98 Expedition. I don't know if the brakes are bad or not. That's crazy. Look at this side of the car. Take y'all back around this other side so y'all can see the comparison real quick. And this is all iced up over here. That's crazy. But see what the Chevy hitting on this morning. Oh damn. I fucking squirted my hand sanitizer everywhere. I'm telling y'all, I really don't be hitting this key when we starting this joint. I know it's gonna shut off. I had to start it again. I'm gonna be honest, I ain't think it'd be running this long right now. I thought it would have fired up, ran for a couple seconds and shut off. But shoot, since it's running, shoot. I gotta work on my, I need to clean out the drain holes in my doors, man. But I need to get that carb rebuilt so I can have my choke and shit working right. Because it'll probably shut off in a little bit, but if I get that choke hooked up right, I mean, it'll do the damn thing. Yeah, you hear it now, it's probably shut off. I don't know, but check out my other video. Gonna come out after this. It's gonna be how to change brakes on a 98 Expedition. What's that? Ford Expedition. It's your boy York City 360, man. Wow.